Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add the clearance date on custom in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective job or shipment. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this job page, we have to click the custom option. Here, we can click the EDI option to add the clearance date. Now we can see the clearance date column. Here we have to select the clearance date. After selecting the clearance date, now we have to click the Save Changes button. This is how to add the clearance date on custom in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.